This is the journal I made for Line Dot Arrow as part of the design team, and this one is using the kit Vintage Fragments. It is a soft cover, 2 signatures, 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and it has got these beautiful pages in it. I will stop and show you when we get to them. There you go, that's a beautiful one there. A lot of the pages are blank, so lots of writing space. Well, there's quite a bit of bingo items that came from the freebies. These pockets both have journal cards in them. A beautiful print. Love, love, love this kit. And the second signature starts with a gatefold. And have some more little journal cards in double tuck. Layered tag. So lots of room for writing, lots of extras pieces to decorate different things on your own, and beautiful pages to spark your creativity. This is a double belly band, and it's stuffed full of stuff, and another little book in the back signature. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.